Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers and subscribers, at the channel we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. That is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives on this channel. We at this channel aid criminals, their financiers, their supporters, enablers, and the likes with a passion, and we do not want them over here. Yes, let us repeat ourselves. We do not want any criminal supporters over here. Please, we do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you, the criminal supporters, enablers, financiers, and all the likes, to go to prison or madness. Let me repeat myself. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we do not want the criminal supporters and their circle over here. We want you to go to prison or madden. Moving on to our video. Yes, I'd like to use this opportunity to congratulate my batchmate, Charmaine. I can't recall even see it after we graduated from 1988, December 1988, I've ever laid eyes on her. As you know that I am a bad mind people who are successful. And because I never get any promotion in my police work, because I didn't have any godfather, and you understand what I'm saying, and I wasn't a part of a Rear Admiral Club or anything like that. But I want to use this opportunity to congratulate my squad, on a promotion, well deserved, and I would like to take this moment to extend my heartfelt congratulations to my esteemed batchmate, ACP Charmaine, on our well-deserved promotion to the rank of Assistant Commissioner of Police. Yeah, 2 rank, from the Commissioner of Police. So this achievement is a testament to your unwavering dedication, hard work, and the merit that has always guided your career. Despite what critics or naysayers might suggest, your success is built on a foundation of integrity and professionalism that is beyond reproach. Yes, I for one, I can say publicly, privately, that you are not a thief. And that's the most important thing to me as one of the best traits as a police officer, that you're not a thief. Yes, and you're not a mix-up police. Always you're flattering things about you, apart from your looks. Yes, although people will say that I am bad man and grudgeful, but one thing none of you cannot say that, because you know that I'm an old cadet. And cadet and reggae, normally mix and everything there, so that that's it. But I am very, very happy for you. I can say with certainty, and I do so proudly, that you are a woman of impeccable character. Yes, in your police work. You have navigated the challenges of your career with grace, demonstrating time and again that you are not only capable and a competent officer, but also someone who upholds the highest standard of honesty. And that's the most important thing. So beyond professional accomplishment, you are also exceptionally attractive and charismatic individual. Yes, it's no secret that your presence has had a profound impact on those around you, including our former Commissioner of Police, Owen Ellington. I am not going to delve further into it. I've never met the man. I don't know the man. I only seen the man or heard of the man. Never meet him. Period. You have to understand is that some police officer, you have to be in a them circle to meet them and them thing there. And I wasn't a thief, so I have never met Owen Ellington. I never heard of him even when him there motorized patrol. And even when him a remand center, because I had a boy down there that escaped, and the boy live in England, and him even send message through a surrogate, about him escape, and and say him change him life and all kind of thing. So, had fate aligned differently, I have no doubt that you would have been Mrs. Owen Ellington. Yes, I am telling you that. Because even right now at this point in time, I know that Owen Ellington, you're the best thing that ever happened to him in terms of a woman with your attractiveness and charismatic individual. But life took another part. Nonetheless, you continue to shine brightly, as you have rightfully done, like a scorching hot bonnet pepper, leaving an indelible mark wherever you go. As you step into this new role, I wish you nothing but success in all your future endeavors. May your journey ahead be filled with continued growth, achievement, and fulfillment of all your aspirations. Congratulations again, ACP Shan. You have proudly earned this honor, and you have made us from our batch proud. Irrespective of what people want to say, you have achieved it. Slam dunk, and you have done a wonderful job. All the best to you and your family. Yeah, so I'll touch now on, you have a brother now where, him come from a place named Bagua. From your youth, I always hear about this police named Marlon, Nesbeth. Never meet him either, I never met the man either. But I want to, so somebody, as you know, he's not a kind of man, and everybody are my friend and them thing. So I don't really know, I don't know him and them thing, but someone say, must give the video some strength because him a police will have integrity, and I don't know, but you understand what I'm saying. But based on one particular person that I see there, I make me begs to wonder. Yeah, Derek, Arsmouth, Clapping Night, Cowboy Night, that's there. And I know that man is a thief. I'm saying that with no apology. I am the only policeman that can say it publicly, privately, anything, that Cowboy is a thief in police. Cowboy and Donovan, see him there. So I want to listen what they're saying, what Mr. Nesbeth is saying. We had offer our condolences to his son when his son drowned out by Cubaners. He's just sad. And to see his mom, celebrating with him. And, very, very happy and proud for the man. So I want you to listen what he's saying to the crowd that's gathered with him in America, getting his promotion. You know that there are certain things, how it is in the Jamaica Constabulary Force. For you to get promotion to a certain rank, you have to be politically connected. Unlike, even ACP, the man that I have one of the greatest respect for, I haven't seen him in years, MacArthur Sutherland. But he did not, hopefully that he will get the Deputy Commissioner of Police in charge of CIB, but I doubt that they're going to do it. They're going to promote him to that rank. So I want you to listen to what ACP Marlon Nesbeth is saying. So you watch, you listen, and you decide.
David Mackay come from the same place, Bagua, with giant training school together. We went to St. Thomas together.
Never leave me out.
And of course, Buckskin Brown. The man with many stories. The man who teach you rural police how to fight criminals.
Alright.
Coming from eradication base.
Thank you, boss. Thank you.
Great up space.
Yes, sir.
From the police perspective, it has been a long and good road. I wouldn't give it away for anything.
True.
You meet a lot of good people along the way. Steve. Steve. Respect for Steve. Yeah. But big friends, all good people, everybody. Family, enough respect. I like the support. Met Alvin. When I come here, it's like I'm still at home.
Sure.
Stephen with him always. Getting together and things. Importantly, I must say, apart from my immediate family, I'm also my mother. My mother.
Who is 97.
Who is 97. I must say that my wife, Lorraine, wing beneath my wings. That's kept me grounded.
Kept you in check, sir.
Yes, that's kept me grounded. She's a police officer.
Don't write him no ticket though. Don't write him no ticket.
Even when I was doing some studies, she was always there for me. Cause she's bright like Marty Star. Yeah, but friends, family, it's good to be here. I'm having this moment. Thanks to Stephen and his wife for putting things together, especially. And Stephen and his wife. Yes.
Hello, sir. Very nice. She out of me one time.
But thanks for being here. And I really appreciate the evening with you. And I hope we can just travel on together in good spirit, in truth, and in love. Bless you. Here. Drink here. Congratulations.
Yeah, so after witnessing the speech, the inspiring speech delivered by the newly promoted Assistant Commissioner of Police Marlon Nesbeth, it's impossible not to feel a deep sense of admiration and respect. Standing proudly beside him were his wife and his remarkable mother, who is 97 years old, remain a radiant testament to the blessings of life. Her presence, strong and vibrant, is truly a gift from God, a reminder of the grace that can accompany us throughout our years. It's awe-inspiring to see someone of her age, full of life and possessing all her faculties, standing tall alongside her son on such a significant occasion. Congratulations to ACP Marlon Nesbeth. Jamaica Young Police, we're a police channel, but we don't like thief in police. So the reason why we give it some year time is because, we haven't heard there's no bad news or say you're a thief or anything like that. Not because when the biggest thief in that serving a police force was there. Yeah, ACP Derek, Cowboy, Knight, Arsmouth, Clapping Knight. Yes, and I say that without any apology, and he knows that. So as ACP Marlon Nesbeth steps into his new chapter of his career, with the added responsibilities and challenges that come with his promotion, we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel want to extend our heartfelt wishes for his continued success. His journey is not just a personal achievement, but a beacon of hope and inspiration for all of us who serve. At the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we recognize the gravity of the work ACP Marlon Nesbeth and his colleague ACP Charmaine have ahead of them. We wish them nothing but the best as they navigate the complexities of law enforcement in Jamaica. Their dedication and courage are paramount, especially in a landscape that can often feel like a criminal's paradise in the Caribbean Sea, Jamaica. Stay safe, stay strong, and continue to serve with excellence and integrity that have brought you to these esteemed positions. Your community and your colleagues are behind you, rooting for your success every step of the way. Congratulations again to both of you. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel, out.